half hour and I'm walking on this floor. First coat, but don't kid yourself. Wait at least 2 to 3 hours before you apply the second coat. That'll let this one dry all the way so that your first coat won't penetrate down into your grout and your tile as much from the first coat. Remember that. Do I really have to install and apply a second coat of sealer? Wow, this thing looks really good. 1 coat of sealer on here. Now, granted, two and a half, 3 years ago, there was 2 coats of sealer on here, and just from wear and tear, some of it is worn off. It's all been cleaned and stuff. Do you want to just put 1 coat on? Yeah, I guess you could, but if you got raw tiles, I would suggest putting 2 coats. And even right now, I'm going to put a second coat on because it's going to make this tile more durable and more longer lasting wear with 2 coats rather than 1. So for my money, I'd put the second coat on. And incidentally, the second coat is not going to take you as long to do as the first coat. I'll show you that on another video. Cutting in a corner. See, I'm holding my paintbrush. I'm holding my paintbrush this way, sliding it up there and going over at an angle. Lift up, angle it. Well, do I keep going this way on this side? Well, you could, but what I like to do is I'll go this way, and then over here I just flip the paintbrush around, slide it over there and go that way. Okay? See? That way for that way, and then flip it over. That's a good way to get inside the inside corners. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.